how to put thousands of questions in the single database simple without typing. In the modern age you do not need to type. So how to put the question and answer with also the multiple options, this 4 option, one single answer. So MCQ question type. So how to import this from this the image. So check. So I am putting this question and I have already prompt ready. So this prompt has been ready. So just paste the question page 1 and question page 2. So just both question paste and put. So I am using the Pro, so using this Pro and run this. So Gemini will automatically put my question format. So I am making the question format in the JSON format. So I need this, hide this JSON format. So paste the JSON format. I already made the institution ID and exam ID already put. So I am waiting for the answer from it. So answering all question. So need to wait. So it will write all question and answer for me. So just wait and see. So this is our import section, and this is our latest question. When you click, so this latest question we last put this 11 April 2026. So today is 2 May 2026. So wait and see. So now done. So copy this section. All question has been done. So put here question. Now collect how many? 20 question, 21 question. Maybe something is going wrong. We need all question. This format. You only provided 21 question. So Gemini has been failed to provide the all question, so need to wait. So we are putting vanishing. Sorry. Here is only 24 on question, as the 40 question is not here. So we are waiting. Where is the question? Is here. So this is the question. Yes, this is the question. This is the question. Sorry, this is the question. This question is missing the first page. So we have to wait. So how to get the full question? So checking the full question is where. So we put this the wrong provided data. So they provided, check this is the provided full question. Sorry, there is a mistake. So I am getting the final PDF. All question is here. This is all question, 100 question is here. So now putting this PDF and pasting our prompt. So now run this. So we need to wait. Okay, now question is ready. So just copy the all question and paste here. Go the our input section, remove it and paste it. Now counting the title is total 101. Maybe something is wrong. Oh, another title is here, so two title, so one title is extra. So 100 question has been done. So start import the process. When you click this, so without 30 seconds it will be import all 100 question without 30 seconds. So you can put 100 question without, so that's sake. So what question important? 100 question is important. So last, when you click the latest, refresh this page, and automatically correct answer is provided. So this is so you can put here, so this is the right answer. Also our question salag is, so this is the question we have twice may updated here, and automatically put the, this is the institution and this is the exam, this is the exam and this is the institution, and this here is the right question. When you put show answer, automatically show answer, and when you click automatic wrong answer, suppose I click this, this is the right answer. So when you click the wrong answer like 20, automatically showing is this is the right, and you click this wrong answer. So I hope you got it, the how it's work. So let's enjoy. Thank you.